connect with other ministers who run their own spiritual centers around the United States. The problem with tracking down these leaders of these spiritual centers is that they're always so busy with the events and meetings at their centers and teaching classes that they rarely have time to chit-chat with people outside of their center. Hi, my name is Anthony Prichard, and this year I'm giving a workshop presentation on some of the easy things that spiritual centers can do to make a bigger impact with their digital marketing. I love this convention because it pulls together our spiritual principles and philosophies in a once-a-year forum that allows us to share ideas and support one another through shared intelligence. Visit our website at spiritualconvention.csl.org to submit your workshop or purchase a ticket so that you can attend and soak it all in. And I will see you there.